In this presentation, we will explore various PHP code quality tools that help ensure clean, maintainable, and professional PHP code. These tools assist in adhering to coding standards, detecting potential bugs, and improving overall code structure. Code quality refers to how well-written, maintainable, readable, and efficient your code is, according to established standards and best practices. High code quality leads to easier maintenance, as well as better team collaboration, fewer bugs, and improved performance. This means that developers can understand, modify, and extend the code base with minimal effort, reducing the risk of introducing errors. PHP Code Sniffer is a powerful tool that detects violations of coding standards in PHP, CSS, and JavaScript files. It ensures your code follows established conventions and best practices, such as PSR standards. Some of its features include support for multiple coding standards, automatic code fixing, high configurability, detailed reports, and support for custom rules. To install PHP Code Sniffer, you can use Composer, which is the recommended method, by running the command composer global require squizlabs/php_codesniffer. Alternatively, you can install it via pair using the command pair install php_codesniffer. Once installed, you can check a single file by running php-CS-file.php, check a directory by running php-CS/, and auto-fix issues by running php-cbf/. PHP Mess Detector, or PHPMD, is a static analysis tool that identifies potential problems in your PHP code. It focuses on code smells, design issues, and complexity metrics. It helps to improve the overall structure and maintainability of your code by detecting cyclomatic complexity, code size issues, unused code, naming violations, and design problems. To install PHPMD, you can use Composer by running the command composer require dev phpmd/phpmd. For a global installation, you can use the command composer global require phpmd/phpmd. To analyze a directory, use the command phpmd source/text clean code. You can also specify multiple rule sets by running phpmd source/text clean code design. To generate XML output, use the command phpmd source/xml clean code. Besides PHP Code Sniffer and PHPMD, there are other quality tools available. Psalm is a static analysis tool that finds bugs in PHP applications, offering type checking, type inference, and dead code detection. Rector is an automated refactoring tool for PHP code upgrades, focusing on PHP version upgrades and code modernization. PHP Stand focuses on finding errors without running the code, offering fast static analysis and progressive analysis levels. PHP-CS-Fixer automatically fixes PHP coding standards issues and also ensures PSR compliance. To effectively use code quality tools, configure custom rules tailored to your project's needs. Run these tools regularly to catch issues early. Ensure team-wide standards are in place to maintain consistency. Monitor quality metrics to track improvements over time. Integrate these tools into your CI/CD pipeline by using pre-commit hooks, build pipeline checks, and blocking failing builds. You can also generate quality reports to visualize your project's code quality. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.